Greetings to the viewers of this video. This informative video will focus on conserving electric energy at home through proper care, maintenance, and repair of electrical systems to prevent major electrical issues. Homeowners need to ensure that their electrical system and appliances properly receives CMR, which stands for Care, Maintenance, and Repair. This is important so that electrical systems and devices can be safe and reliable when used. Proper CMR not only ensures household safety, but it is also one of the best ways of conserving electrical energy. Making sure that appliances run efficiently can reduce waste and ensure an environmentally friendly home. It helps in reducing your monthly electric bills since a significant portion of energy expenditure in houses goes into running appliances. You'll be able to identify electrical problems and administer proper repair, or have it replaced right away with energy-efficient ones to prevent further damage. CMR of electrical systems are a form of investment in any household. By performing proper procedures, major electrical problems will be avoided that results in home renovations that cost a lot of money. Handling electrical devices through CMR. First, we have care. Removing dirt with proper tools used for cleaning. Adjusting their environmental conditions to prevent any damage. It is also important to know your device's limitations and warranties to avoid overusing them. Next, we have maintenance. This prolongs the life of any electrical system or device by keeping it in good work condition and by scheduling monthly, quarterly, or even yearly checkups administered by professional electricians. Lastly, we have repair. Fixing of any malfunctioning part. By quickly repairing small electrical problems, it will prevent it from turning into major electrical issues that may result to accidents. The basic steps of CMR will include placing devices in proper environmental conditions, like places of low humidity, unlike this box, which is placed outside and is being vandalized. Use the correct cleaning tools such as a lint-free cloth when removing gunk or dust particles to keep it in good work condition and retain its efficiency to function. Inspecting electrical system and devices regularly to identify any problems that may arise. Identify the repairs that are needed to be done. If you have the prior skills and knowledge in electronic repair, then you can administer the repair yourself. If not, call for a professional electrician right away. CMR will protect not only your house but also your lives when performed accordingly. The advantages of CMR. First, it is cost efficient. With proper CMR, you would be able to make full use of the device or appliance. This saves you money from buying new ones frequently. Second, we have the expert's advice. By consulting a professional electrician, they'll be able to explain to you the possible cause of such electrical failures, and this will help you prevent it from happening again. The disadvantages of CMR. If the appliance or device is beyond repairing, the best solution would be to replace it with a new one. CMR can be tedious for Greetings once again to the viewers of this presentation. If you have any comments or inquiries or even suggestions regarding my presentation, please feel free to contact me through my email address, which will be placed on the last part of this presentation. That would be all. Thank you for listening and have a great day.